You've chosen Katana Cloud Inventory, which, by the way, good move, but here's something that most people aren't thinking about. Buying Katana is just the first step. Getting it set up is where the real value begins, because Katana doesn't just track products. It can connect your entire product business if you set it up correctly. Your sales channels, your warehouse, your accounting, your production floor, all of those departments can and should be connected. But if that data isn't aligned on day one, you're going to spend more time fixing things than improving them. Think about it. Every SKU, every sales order, every reorder point, every workflow, it's all built on your initial setup. If that foundation gets shaky, your reports will be off, your orders will get messy, and worst of all, your team will stop trusting the data. And that's why a guided implementation matters. It's not about someone just installing software. It's about mapping your entire business process into Katana cleanly and effectively so that everything works together. So what does a proper Katana implementation look like for your business? It starts with syncing all of your data from your e-commerce, your accounting, your shipping, so that you can populate Katana with correct information. Next, a process is developed and documented to match your business's existing workflows and needs, because every business is different and has different needs. This build out also includes reporting management so that data can be extracted and understood across any department that requires it. All this can happen through on-site or remote meetings, but the goal is the same. Get every part of your system talking to each other accurately, because the moment that Katana reflects real live data, your decision-making process changes. A good implementation saves time. A great one builds confidence in every decision that follows. Find the implementation information down below to keep your Katana sharp. You got this.